Welcome back to the channel and watching these videos. So we're back after a few months at the 1969 Yacht Mega build, and as you can see, it's been painted and it's starting to get polished. So first of all, you can see there's still some work to do below the waterline, but above the waterline this is looking pretty good now. This is for them to test the engine, but I think you'll agree that looks pretty cool. We will look inside very briefly, but there's not a lot of change to show you. But again, look at the detailing on these stays. Beautiful machining, welding. They're gorgeous. I just think now of all the little chrome bits going on, and the brass, some more stays look like they're going to go in there. All the portholes are nice and fitted now. But look at that, that looks absolutely gorgeous. We'll go and have a brief look inside, but and I haven't put the power on because there's all it switches on all generators and stuff, and I don't really want to do that because I don't know what else it's supposed to be switched on with it. So we're going to do it by phone torchlight. But whilst we can, actually, let's quickly just go to the front of the boat and just remind everyone just how big this boat is. So if I go right into the bowsprit and turn around, that is a big boat, a very big boat. I had a previous viewer asking who made these window frames up. I don't know, I'm still yet to ask the owner, but I've not seen him for a couple of weeks. So if we get my torch on, and we can go inside. So one of the main things that's been happening in the last few weeks, they've had the electrician in. You can see the TV is going to come out of here and go into there, but they've had an electrician on doing all of the wiring. And they've got some of the floor up here just to continue some of the wiring in there. Not sure how easily you can see that, but it's out back here where a lot of that wiring has been terminating. So if I undo this here, and come into here, you can see how it's all starting to be plumbed in. Very impressive, looks nice and tidy. And how they're making as much use of the space behind the fitting that you won't see to run all the pipes. As an example, if you look behind where some of the seating goes, again, More plumbing, wiring, kit going in. So just a brief video today. I think once I've got a lot more of that plumbing in, it should help with the progress of the rest of the fit out. And it was supposed to be going in for the end of this year, but that's no longer going to be the case. I think they're now looking at springtime. And I won't show you outside because it's a bit of a mess this side of the boatyard, but it's absolutely rammed with boats and people living in caravans around it. So the whole place is going to have to be completely cleared before the scaffolding can come down, the masts can go back in, and they can get a massive heavy duty crane mount to lift this into the water, and the water is just past the bow of the boat. So still a bit of work to do, but again we get the beauty of having a few more videos to do from here. So I'll keep you posted, but until next time, take care, and I'll see you on the next video, and hopefully there'll be a lot more progress inside for you to look at. Take care, bye bye.